With Rezku OLO, you can create beautiful branded online ordering for your customers that drives revenue, makes your brand look spectacular, and rivals national chains. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step the complete setup from scratch. Along the way, I'll provide you with valuable tips and tricks. So bookmark this video now and get ready to follow along as we start this journey together. You already use Rezku POS to ring in products, so to make setup easy, properties from your existing POS menu carry over into online ordering. This includes products, modifiers, prices, and other settings. Before you start your online ordering setup, double-check your menu settings now and make any necessary changes. The most important tip we can give you to make your menu look spectacular is to add lots of product images. To add product images for online ordering, navigate to Product Management, Menu Design. Click on the product tile and choose Edit Appearance. Under Online Settings, you can click Upload to choose any image from your computer. Or click Stock Library to use a free image from our stock photos library. There are many categories of products to choose from, including logos for popular alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. Click Icon Library to choose from free icons that you can use in place of a photo. No product listing is complete without a product description. Click the product tile and choose Edit Basics. Here, you can enter the online description. Another way you can provide additional product information is with dietary tags. To add dietary tags, click the product tile and choose Edit Dietary Tags. These brightly colored icons help guests with allergies or specific dietary needs. Select any of the tags, and they will appear alongside the description in your menu. And here is how it will appear in online ordering. Online order settings. Now let's get into our dedicated online ordering settings. On the left side menu, navigate to Online Ordering, Online Order Settings. The first tab in this panel is Order Types. This is where we set the order types guests can choose. In-store pickup is when guests come to pick up their order. Delivery orders enables ordering for delivery. Note that deliveries can either be in-house or through DoorDash Drive, depending on your setup. And curbside service is when guests park at the restaurant and one of your staff brings out the food. On the Online Delivery Setup tab, you can choose to print an itemized delivery receipt for the guest. You can turn on or off DoorDash Drive deliveries, but please keep in mind this only works if you have already signed up for the service. Set a delivery minimum, that is the minimum cart total to qualify for a delivery. And there's a shortcut to set up online hours. The next tab is Tableside Settings. Rezku Tableside Ordering allows your guests to scan a QR code at their table and essentially use their phone like a self-ordering kiosk. When guests place their order, the ticket prints to the kitchen and your staff deliver their food to their table. The drop-down menu Tableside Type draws its options from the order types that you have set up already in the system. Picking one sets the order type tableside orders will come into on the POS. To make the QR codes for guests to scan, download and print them out. There's a PDF or a zip file with PNG images. The Order Time Settings tab allows us to quote fulfillment times to guests. Orders per 15 minutes is the average number of orders that can leave the kitchen every 15 minutes. When Open for Pre-orders is on, guests can still place pre-orders when the restaurant is not open. Accept orders until close means new orders can come in right up to the moment of closing. When it's turned off, the system stops taking orders so that they can be picked up before closing time. Pre-orders days in advance sets the maximum number of days that someone can order ahead. And there's another shortcut to online hours. Next is the Ordering Options tab. We have a lot of options. It's a good example of how Rezku is highly tunable to meet your specific needs. Auto accept online orders. By default, when a new online order comes in, the system is waiting for you to accept or reject it. When you set auto accept, it bypasses this feature, and instead, online orders print automatic to the kitchen. Allow gift cards enables gift cards as a payment method at checkout and allows guests to purchase gift cards online. When Enable Pay on Pickup is turned on, guests can check out online and pay for their food when they are on site at the restaurant. Enable Coupons allows guests to use coupons online that can be either auto-applied or a promo code entered at checkout. Email address required means guests must enter their email address to complete the order. Email customer receipt will provide an emailed receipt to the guest. Enable Loyalty allows guests to accumulate loyalty points for online purchases and track them online or in the app. Restrict to 21 and over adds an ID verification step to checkout. Turn this on if you're selling alcohol online. Under Online Order Types, you'll choose the order types that you want associated with your online delivery and takeout orders. This list is based on the order types you already have added to your POS system. You can choose to enable or disable order notes and product notes if you're concerned about guests making substitution requests for online orders. Under Tip Settings, you control how tips work online. Click Enable to allow tipping on the checkout page. There are 3 settings for tip suggestions that all work the same way. For pickup orders, which includes curbside, tableside, and delivery orders, you can enter your own values and also choose between a percentage or fixed dollar amount. Online Site Settings. Online Site Settings is where you get to pick the colors and style that will make your site a unique branded experience for guests. In the Site Settings tab, Enable Online Ordering will take your online ordering portal live. Without this turned on, no one can visit or view your site. The default URL for online ordering is a series of numbers. You can create a custom URL by typing it here. For example, the name of your restaurant. If you use Google Analytics to track performance of your website, you can integrate data from Rezku OLO into Google Analytics by entering the Stream Measurement ID here. Now we get to the creative part. The Site Design tab sets the template and theme your menu will use. Choose a layout for your menu. The default layout is simple and compact. The large layout is an impressive photo-forward design. Choose a heading font and color for your menu for a custom touch. You can hide the restaurant name from the header by checking this box. A background tint really makes your menu pop. When you choose a color, a light shade is applied to the background. You can change the default product icon by clicking Choose Icon. To set the theme, choose 2 colors to match your brand. Various elements in your menu will be colored automatically. Select a restaurant group theme if you have multiple locations. Next is the Logo and Splash Page tab. This is where you'll add visual branding elements to your menu. Here's a tip. You want to make sure you're using clear, high-quality graphics that are not blurry or pixelated. The restaurant logo is the primary graphic for your site. It will appear on your splash page and at the top of the menu page. Click Upload Photo to choose an image from your computer. For the best look, we highly recommend using a PNG file with a transparent background. However, if that is not possible, tick the white logo background checkbox. The favicon image is the small icon that appears on browser tabs next to your page name and in Google search results. It's a nice detail. The splash page is where your guests land when they first visit your online ordering portal. The splash image is the background or wallpaper. You can find many professional, high-quality images for free online at websites like pexels.com. Just make sure it's marked free for commercial use before uploading. A splash tint can be used with or without a splash image. It sets the primary or secondary color as the background for the splash page. Upload a restaurant group logo if you have multiple locations. The top notifications are custom banners at the top of your menu. You can add multiple notifications which will rotate automatically. Top notifications can be used to provide specific instructions or for promotional offers and coupon codes. To create a top notification, click Add Slide. Choose either image or text type. When you choose image, there are two slots for images. Notification image is used on desktop computers and tablets. Mobile notification image is used on smartphones. Use a different image for each slot to provide your guests with the best viewing experience. When you choose text, type what you want the notification to say. You can customize the text formatting, including fonts and colors. Marketing settings are used to help you create buzz and stay top of mind with your customers. First, let's talk about the settings related to email. Click Enable Subscribe to add an opt-in for email marketing to your online ordering checkout screen. You can customize the text for opt-in by adding it here. Mentioning something like discounts and promotions is an effective way to increase the number of subscribers. To send emails, you'll want to sign up for a free MailChimp account. MailChimp is an easy-to-use email marketing platform that integrates with Rezku. After you create your MailChimp account, go to Settings, MailChimp Integration, and log in to your MailChimp account. Now we'll talk about social media. In Social Links, you'll see slots to add URLs for your social media. When added, these links will appear in the footer portion of your online ordering page. The next tab in this section is SEO Settings, means Search Engine Optimization. These settings get your online ordering page to rank higher in Google local search results. And this is very important for getting new customers. Under Title and Description, you can enter your own text. Or you can simply use the selectors here to optimize for SEO. To really get you to the top of search results, it's important to set up a Google Business profile. You'll see we've included a link to Google Business to streamline your setup. Be sure to use your Rezku OLO link on your Google Business profile. The last tab is OLO Links. Here, you'll find a list of the links associated with your online ordering account. Each link also has a QR code that can be scanned. To copy a link to your clipboard, use the Click to Copy link. And you can download the QR code as a PNG image to post on social media or in your restaurant. Set online hours. The hours settings determine when your menu is available for customers to place an order. There are two service types you can set orders for: takeout, which includes curbside service, and delivery. Step 1. Click the Add Hours block button. Step 2. Set the open and close time. Step 3. Checkmark the days that these hours apply to. If hours are different on different days, click the Add Hours block button again, set the time, and select those days. Setting delivery hours works exactly the same way. Remember, if Open for Pre-orders is not enabled, online ordering will not be accessible outside of the hours. Closures. When you have specific dates in the future that online orders will be closed, head to Closures. Click the Add Closure button and choose the date. You can also add a message to visitors as to why you're closed. When you save the closure, it'll appear in the list. Click Edit Details if you need to make any changes. Online Product Settings. In this section, you'll set up your online products. Step 1. Click the Choose Products button to see a list of products in your menu. Step 2. Click the check mark to select which products in your menu will be available online. You also have a choice of which modifiers are available to products online. To adjust online modifiers, go to Product Management, Modifiers. For the selected modifier group, click the three dots and choose Edit Modifiers. Next to the modifier, click the three dots and choose Edit Details. Now, by default, modifiers are available online, but you can choose to deselect Available for Online Ordering. Returning to Online Product Settings, up to 4 products can be highlighted at the top of the menu as popular items. These products see an average of 20% lift in sales, so it's a great strategy to take advantage of. There's another way to upsell that you can find in Product Management Menu Design. Click the product tile and choose OLO Upsells. For every product, you can suggest up to 3 additional products and 3 modifier add-ons when it's added to the cart. When a customer adds an item, they will see the upsell options that pop up, just like what you see in the online ordering systems used by national chains to increase per order spend by 30% or more. Gift Card Portal Settings. Enable the online gift card portal. These settings are designed to limit your liability for online gift card purchases using a credit card. Set a maximum online gift card amount. You can set a monthly maximum of gift card purchases for this guest. If you're using gift card tags, you can specify which tag is applied here. The gift card portal can be accessed in the navigation menu of online ordering. Your customers can purchase electronic gift cards for themselves or as a gift to others. Now let's take a look at the online ordering experience from your customer's perspective. And keep in mind, this is an example. Guests will start on the splash page where they choose one of the available service types. They also choose their order time, ASAP or scheduled. Then they can continue as a guest or log in to their account. It's easy to build an order. Browse the menu and select a product. The product name, image, and description are at the top of the page. The product builder runs along the right side. Instructions above each modifier group provide guidance to guests for required selections. Selected modifiers are indicated with the check mark and also appear in the product builder. If a guest forgets to make a selection, the system will highlight it. Once all selections are made, the guests can add the item to their cart. A pop-up shows the guest any modifier upsells and the selections they've made. Once they've confirmed, any associated product upsells appear, giving guests a chance to add them easily. Guests can also order pizzas online with our intuitive pizza builder. A whole pizza works the same as a standard product. Click Make Half and Half for more options. Set the options that apply to the whole pizza. Click the Side 1 tab or Next Side in the builder to move to the next step. You can choose a specialty pizza from the drop-down menu and customize your selections for Side 1. Click Next Side and customize your selection. Click Add to Order and review the choices in the pop-up. When the guest has completed, they'll click the cart and review their order. Here they can adjust the quantity or remove items. And click Checkout. On the checkout page, guests provide their contact and payment information and leave a tip, or select Pay on Pickup if that option is available. When they submit their order, they'll receive a digital receipt with their order confirmation, including pickup or delivery time. If you have any questions or need assistance, please do not hesitate to contact Rezku Support. Thank you for watching.